Are you looking for key points across multiple files on the same topic? Want to summarize budget sheets from 2 different years without even opening them? Let Gemini help. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to summarize multiple files in Drive. Let's get started. When looking at your Drive, click on the Gemini button in the top right corner. From there, ask Gemini to summarize specific topics like, tell me about this project, or summarize these files across my Drive. You can also use the @ symbol to reference specific files, or even drag and drop files from your Drive directly into Gemini. So there you have it. Summarize across files in Drive in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the comments below. Follow Google Workspace for more tips just like this.